Hi there. So here I am in ArcGIS Pro 2.91, and all I want to show in this video is splitting a polygon. So using an edit tool and doing a split, and hopefully that will lead you on to look at lots of other tools. But I will be doing and have done several other videos on various other editing tools. So let's take a look at these SSSIs, these polygons. Over here, Mount Sorrel in Leicestershire. Actually, on that, let's just make them a bit transparent. So I scroll there. There you go. I can see that a bit clearer. So I did that because I want you can see this sort of break here, this track that goes round, and just turn that off. That's Swithin Reservoir. So, but the whole area is designated this site of special scientific interest, sort of protected area. And so what I'd like to do is actually split by drawing a line down across there, split this polygon. When I click on it, you see it's the whole thing gets highlighted, and this is all the information about it. It's Budden Wood and Swithin Reservoir. So I kind of want to split this into two. So the way to do that is very straightforward. Go to Edit, and then you can, there's actually several ways you can jump straight to split. If you click on Modify, you'll actually get a list of, you'll see all the options here, lots of things to do. And like I said, I'll be doing videos on these. Let's do a split. So I click on Split, and it says select one or more objects to do the splitting. So i.e. it's leading, it's like a little wizard. It says make a selection. Okay then, it's this. Okay, I've got a selection. And then down here is a sort of standard edit toolbar, mini toolbar, which changes based on the kind of thing you're going to do. By default, it's selected, just simple line draw, because I'm going to draw a line where I want the split to happen. So I'm going to roughly do it rather than trying to do it exactly. So I click once and it started. You see it's locked there. So let's do there. Might as well follow it best we can. There you go. So I double click, and there you go, it's split. So it's made two features. If I go to the map option and just do Explorer, if I click there, you can see clearly that's one feature, and then the same data is put into the second feature, apart from a global ID, of course, and an area calculation and length, which was recalculated. So if we look at the attribute table, you can see that there were, so there's 2 of 23 selected. Those are the two that, because that one got turned into 2. So if I was to discard the edits, so go to Edit and see the discard button, because I haven't saved them yet. If I discard, it tells me what edits have been done. Yeah, it's on the SSSI. So no, 2 of 23 selected. So I press yes, discard, and it gets set to 22, with 1 selected. So it's just one object now, and the total attributes has been reduced. If I open that again and just do a slightly more interesting carve up of that polygon, so there's 22 records in there. So I've got a and it said split completed on there. So I've let's go back to, yep. So I'm on Modify, let's do Split. I've got a selection, so it's asking me if I want to change or just keep that. I'll keep it. But this time when I draw the line, I'm going to go all zigzaggy, just for effect. See? So this is going to create a few. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? And it's chopped them all up. And now it says I've got 6 selected of 27. So it's basically made a few more objects. And if I go to the map and explore, let's just get rid of attribute, zoom in, you can see how with that zigzag drawing it's made all these little carved up pieces from that one. And then on Edit I can discard or save. Let's discard, and it will join it all back together again, basically undoing. There you go. So there you go, quick intro to splitting. I hope you like that and find it useful. Thank you.